Hello and welcome back, and in this video I will tell you about one of the best platforms on the market where you can create your own low content journal. It is called BookBolt. So you can not only create your own journal, but you can also launch your own publishing business with writing no single word, just using BookBolt. And of course, you can publish it on Amazon, for example. And I will even show you how you can use BookBolt to find the proper description, to find proper keywords, and to find your niche, so you can be more productive and more efficient and eventually get more money. So, BookBolt. The most comprehensive low content book publishing software on the market today. Product database and trend hunter, the most powerful keyword research tool on the market, listing optimization. So what you can do in terms of creating your own journal or creating your own book. There is a cover creator, interior designer, drag and drop editor, complete customization, more than 1,200 free fonts, more than 1 million royalty-free images, patterns, scalable designs, filters, and much more. BookBolt Studio enhanced interior creation. What type of books you can create? Puzzle books, activity books, coloring books, 100s of low content interiors, and of course it can be your personal journal or kind of like a diary. So time-saving utilities at your fingertips. So everything you need to create a book without doing any design personally. That is BookBolt. And you can see their plans. For example, monthly newbie is $10 per month, or $20 per month. That is a monthly pro. And you can have your 3-day free trial. Of course, use this chance and don't lose it. So right now, I want to show you how BookBolt works from inside. I'm already in my personal page, and I will start walking you through the process of creating your own book. All you need to do is click on this account logo and you go to the BookBolt Studio section, you click it, and you are directed to my projects. As you can see, I have no project as of now, so I click Create a Project. I choose Project type, cover and interior, let it be like that. Project name, I will call it Wildlife. Size, let it be like this, 6x9. Black and white interior with white paper. Page count, I would say 15 pages. Between, okay, it was like a minimum, let it be like 25. Yeah, perfect. So, and now I'm directed to the next page. This is a book template. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to choose a picture that I'm gonna use as a cover for my book. So I can actually upload the one. You can search it in the library, which is totally free, but I will actually type in wildlife. What if, like, yeah. So that's gonna be my type of journal that I'm going to create. It's going to be called Wildlife. So I will be searching everything connected to wildlife, and it's gonna be about my explorations of wildlife. I like this one. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna expand it, and I'm gonna make it. No, so I need to do it. Yeah, kinda. Yes, perfect. I'm gonna make it even like bigger. Yeah, I like it. It's perfect. So as you can see, this left part of the book, this is the back cover, and this is the front cover. So I need to find a title. So as I previously mentioned, I'm gonna use the name wildlife, so it's not a problem. As you can see, here there is this bar on the left where it's pretty simple to understand like what you can choose from the options. And right now I'm choosing this option heading, and I'm calling it wildlife. I'm gonna, well, yeah, didn't mean it. So I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna move it here, and I'm gonna make it big. Or I'm going to use, yeah, I will have it like that. Why not? And as you can see, there are different logos that you can choose, so it's not a thing. I mean, a lot of different things that you can use here. Okay, when I'm actually done, no, I don't like it. I will actually make it normally. It's kind of weird. Yeah, let it be like that. So after I'm done with cover, I can choose interior, and I can choose what type of pages I want to include in my journal. And I would just make it a sketchbook, because that is my exploration of nature, and I'm gonna put down um I'm gonna put down select all, and like this, submit. So all of my pages are gonna be blank pages because I want to draw, I want to write some, and I want to be super creative. But at the same time, you can modify your pages, so that shouldn't be a problem at all. So, for example, this one, current one. Yeah, and for example, page number 13 will be like this. So it's up to you to decide what type of pages and how they are going to look like. And that's a great thing, right? So, and my project seems to be done, and when I'm ready to download it, I just click download and download current project printed books, and that's it. It's ready to be published. So you can actually browse the cloud. This is the place which monitors the competition on Amazon. And you, for example, can choose search by bestsellers and choose like top 100 or top 200. Choose the category. So my project was like a personal journal, so I want to look through this competition. A keyword, I have wildlife because this is my type of journal, and I have these results. So I'm just checking how well they sell, or estimated monthly sales 222. That is a pretty good result, and the price is 6, so why not? Bird watching notebook, vintage lookbook, journal, diary, gifts for bird watchers, bird watching lovers. So in general, this is the thing, which is pretty similar to my project. So when you open the description, you can see all the description, the interior, cover, and of course there is product detail, and you can use everything for your own project. And there is one more thing that you can use right here on BookBolt, and that's the greatest thing that they also have. It is called keywords, and you press keyword search, and I type in my keyword wildlife. And you will see the competition, cost per click, Google CV, SV and AMZSV. And British wildlife, Colorado wildlife, elephant wildlife, so on and so forth. And you can, of course, use most frequent keywords: forest wildlife coloring book, wildlife pictures, wall decor, so on and so forth. So this is a great place for a lot of expertise to sell well your low content journal. Thank you very much for watching this video. I was trying to give you the most important information out of the project. This is a great way to create your own low content journal or your book that you can sell. Bookable, pay attention to this. And of course, check all the links below this video. I wish you a good day and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.